Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn what is ChatGPT and what we can do with it. Well, it's an artificial intelligence. We can ask any question, or we can interact with this AI in conversational way. And also we can share our feelings with this AI. That sound amazing, right? So, let's try. Now type OpenAI on Google. Now click on ChatGPT. Click Try ChatGPT. Now sign up and log in with your Google account. Here we go. We are ready to communicate with this AI. So let me start with hello. Okay, let me ask how he is feeling today. Oh, my bad. He doesn't have feelings. Okay. But let me tell him I am feeling sad, and I have a feelings. Oh, you can see he is replying like human. He is very smart. So, let me proceed. Wow! Within a second he is advising step by step. I already told you, he is very fast and smart. You can see the results. Wow! That's amazing. He is still typing. You can see, this AI gave me 5 suggestions step by step. Every suggestions are cool. Now let me ask whether this AI could show me some picture or not. Oh, this AI has a limitation. We cannot get everything. But we might get everything in future. We can't say anything. Okay, let me ask whether he can crack me any joke or no. Oh wow, you can see, why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired? Wow. That's amazing. Okay, let me compliment him and let's see how he reacts. Oh, he liked it. So let me try more. Oh, not bad, not bad at all. He is better than us. You can see its reply is also same, but it might behave like human in near future. Okay, one more last time. Wow, you can see he is very funny and very intelligent. Let me give compliment again. Let me ask if he likes Donald Trump or no. Oh, that's the same reply. But at last, he is asking me do I want to know about him. I will answer with yup. again asking me what I want to know about him. Let's try his daughter. Wow, he has 5 children. I already told you, he is very funny, and master at this. Oh shit, now we know this AI doesn't understand everything. More work is needed to be done, so now let me ask, who are the top richest people in the world? We can see the results. This AI didn't show reports of 2022. I think this AI need a lot more work. But this AI is useful because this is an early stage for this AI. A lot of updates are coming. So, let me try something unique for last time. I want to ask few pickup lines to impress a girl. Let's see how he reacts. Wow, I was not expecting this AI to explain why pickup lines are not always appropriate, and it might work for someone, and might not work for another. That's awesome. And also I got few impressive pickup lines, thanks to this AI. Okay, that's it for today. You can try this AI at any time. It is very useful. We will leave now by saying bye, and let's see his reply. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe my channel. Love you all, bye.